ऑलराइट, टेस्ट ड्राइव्ह.
ओके.
रुल्स एक्सप्लेन केला आहे पोते कोता. फाटल्यान हा ताणें पयलें ड्रॉइंग काडपाचें. यू हॅव टू टेक दॅट फील्ड एंड कीप ऑन ड्रॉइंग. आतां गँगस्टर काडटलो, गँग काडटलो, कोण काडटलो तें म्हाकाय खबर ना. काडलें म्हणटा पावतलें. ओके, सो ते प्रमाणे तुमी ड्रॉइंग तुमचें स्टार्ट करपाचें. सो रेडी? ऑल सेट? ओके, मिनीन मारे पेन घेवन रेडी हा?
हांव रेडी आहा. वय सारको हांव चिंतीत आतां कितें काडोतें तेका लागून हांव डिस्टर्ब आसा सारको.
30 seconds you'll get.
Okay, fine.
Okay, turn. Take the position.
कॅचॅक.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, start.
सन सारकें काड रे बाबा. ओके.
मास टाइम दी तेका.
टाइम दी जेसन.
कित गुंडा आयल्याश मरे म्हजी माय.
कितें बारीक लायनीश काड मारे.
हां 1 2 मनीस काडायत रे.
काडू
तो आपल्याकू काडना मरे.
मातशें horsan लाय म्हाका कांय कळना कितें काडटा.
अरे अजून काय तो कित गुंडा आहे तो काय खूंय वयच्या कितें गुंडावपाचें कितें आतां मनीसूय जातो मग कोणा.
30 सेकंड झाले. रमाशराव, जोसन मास दाखव कितें काडला ते मातशें कॅमेरा फ्लॅश कर. कितें काडला?
हां वयता आलो
गँग पिक्चराचो
हांव म्हळ्यार कित गुंडाचें म्हाका कांय कळना.
कित काम काड.
का न्हू हांव पयलीं तकली काटवा म्हूण जाणालो कितें तरी मनशा मागीर कित लायन येश आतां म्हाका कांय कळना. तूं पासून बगले ना मरे.
हांवें पूण रावंड एस कितें काडलाय.
हांव काडला तो म्हाका दाखय मास.
कितली फास्ट रे ड्रॉ करता.
हय कितें
तो सारको बेंजरू काडला केस लांब आलो पळय
केस
तेका.
लांब
एटलीस्ट बॅन दिसत न्हू तो केंसां हाडून
गोल्डन कलर दिलो
म्हाका थोडो रॉंग सुय बी दिसता सो मातशें.
जर म्हळ्यार हांव कितें कोण दाखयता
अरे तुवें कितें म्हूण काडला ते हे हात धरून कितें काडला?
तूं हाटीचे घेयचे खोटो येश म्हण येश चोय म्हण हूंय पावत येश येश चालता येश येश करूं गेलो आनी आतां कितें बोलूय काट म्हूण कळना. मागीर मदें येश लायन येश येता.
आसली बरें ठेवलें तुमी. एटलीस्ट तुमी ट्राय केलें कितें पण काडपा. नक्षत्र हे फुडल्या एका फिल्मा उपकारता तुमकां डिरेक्शन बद्दल दाखोवपा करपा. Alright, we are starting with our final round, final game, that is read my lips. So, always read my lips. Moja no. Okay. Alright. Okay. So what 30 seconds एकल्याक मेवतले. Okay. Cheat काडपाचे तुवें ते हेडफोन्स घालून आसतले and that will be then reverse. तुका सेम आसतले. Okay. ते चीटेर कितें येयला ते तुवें तेका सांगून दाखोवपाचें. If she can hear well and good, then guess करतले. Okay. So you need to be expressing. बरे भशेन सांगपाचें तेका so that she can guess.
त्यात रिस्पॉन्ड भायर काडूंक जाय.
Okay. So 30 seconds you're getting. So put your headphones on. Okay, and these are the cheats. Ready? Okay, cheat card. Okay. And your headphones are on. You can hear the sound. The music is on.
Not yet. Okay.
Okay. And your time starts now.
सुसेगाद. कितें? मोग. बो.
Bo.
कितें?
Bo. Moi.
कितें?
See.
Bir. Mo. Ti.
कितें?
बोमोयची बिरमोटी.
बाय बरें.
बोमोयची बिरमोटी.
एक उतर म्हण.
बोमोयची.
बोमोयचे.
बोमोयची.
बोमोयचे.
बोमोयची.
Okay.
बोमोयचे.
Take it off. Say it.
बोमोयची बिरमोटी.
Okay.
Close enough. Half point.
She was very close, yeah. All right, we are moving on to Welrose now. So, Welrose, are you all set?
Yeah.
Okay.
Set.
Chits.
बरें.
Read कर.
का सारको काना म्युझिक जाय.
Headphone घाला. Shooting करूँ ना. You ready?
वय जालें.
Okay. And your time starts now.
आयकात म्हजो ताळो.
तुम्ही बरं ऑनलाईन म्हणले. Before 30 seconds, yeah.
ते डॅडी डॉटर कनेक्शन हा.
Connection heart to heart. All right. Next. Always ready?
रेडी.
Okay.
सुसेगाद हा. एक उतर पयलें.
is it? वाचले? Okay. And your time starts now.
माका
Maka,
बुक लागल्या.
Canada,
माका
Maka,
बुक
Mug,
बुक
Pot,
बुक
Book,
लागल्या.
Laglia.
Yes. Before 30 seconds you did, man. Come on, nice. Okay. 2 more, huh? Okay. So next cheat. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set? All set?
What's that?
Alright. Okay. And your time starts now.
पिटी पिटी काली से जाता.
Hey, you're giving hint, huh? Action Alright, anyways, you already you have guessed it. Okay. Heart to heart sarke connection. Alright, Aviz, ready? Okay, next one. Only read kor. Tu can't read kor, Mona. Okay? Okay. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
So, your time starts now.
गोरमी
Gopi,
गोरमी चोड आसा.
Sword, Asa. Gormi Sodasa.
Yes. Can you hear? You can hear?
No, I cannot.
Okay.
I cannot. He
Okay.
did this right, so I got it.
Okay. Action कर दिया. Hint दिला देना. Okay. Okay. So next cheat.
Be brain to brain.
Ready? All set? Okay. And your time starts now.
पावसा यो.
He won, yeah. Come on. Well played, yeah. सारखे दे heart to heart म्हणता पहिले दे. They say no, like daughter is father's first love. सारखे, huh? Good. Okay. Last 2 cheats.
Okay.
Okay. Done. What's left? Ready? All right. And your time starts now.
तू
Tu,
शेजारी
Shezari, Mozo.
Yeah, what? Yeah. Hey, can you hear? He gave you a hint, I think, again for actions.
Huh?
He did action.
Beatrix to.
All right, well played, Melrose.
Thank you.
Now we are moving on to Avis. Last cheat.
Done.
You need to get it right.
Okay. It's gonna be a bit tough one, but we'll try.
Okay. All set? And your time starts now.
शैतान बेबे रोटा.
Well played, yeah. Take the headphones out. Come on. Well played, yeah. पहिले शिकलो तो इथलं सारखं
पहिले
बोल ना.
काय ते-
Reading lips. All right. Okay, it's activity time, and these people are going to do. I mean, my guests are going to do craft with me.
Okay.
All right. Okay. See, there are 4 chits here. 4 chits, and what you want to do is 30 seconds एकल्याक मेवतले.
Okay.
Okay. कोणे एकल्यानी चीट काडपाचे, पोवपाचे कितें आहा पळय तें 30 सेकंडा भितर तें करून दाखोवपाचे. Craft papers are kept here. If you want to do some eyes and all, marker is kept here.
Okay.
Okay. So who is going?
He's drawing, right?
No, you need to do the craft.
The
Do
folding
it
part.
with the craft paper, folding activity.
Oh, I'm so weird.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
that. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Who's going?
Yeah, I'll pick one.
Come on.
It's the red.
Red one.
Yeah.
What is it?
both should do.
No, it's me.
Airplane.
So I should do.
Airplane.
Me also.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll tell you when your 30 seconds starts.
Okay.
Okay, and your time starts now.
Okay.
My God. Veronica, what are you doing?
I forgot.
It's an airplane.
It's
You know what
an
is airplane? 30
Yeah.
seconds you're getting.
It's Long time they made this.
It is
Crafting.
cooling days.
I am making a rocket. It's same, right?
Apple, let me see which one is better.
Yeah.
Who's the fastest? He done, man. Equally, man. Equally done. Done.
It's
Okay.
not even. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice, yeah.
Nice, nice.
Good, good, good. Okay. Well played.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for me now.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's gonna take the chit?
Me?
Okay.
Here.
Florissant, huh?
Yeah, I love this color. Boat.
Boat.
Both.
Okay. So ready? You know what is boat? How it
Yeah.
Okay. So your time starts now. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, I know this.
You seems to be very faster, but then you all tie up each other. बराबर होऊन जातं तुमच्या दोघांचे. How is
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Practice
I don't know.
केलं?
It's interesting that it happens like that.
Veronica, what are you doing?
Okay. And
Mine is this step.
there you go.
What is that? Show me what is that? Is that
No, what
this is the
happened?
proper boat? What is that?
This boat is sinking, you know.
Okay, alright. Good
Yeah.
try you gave.
Good.
I'm sure now you know what is a boat.
I'm
looking
very
like
bad in craft.
and everything. Okay.
I'm doing after a long time, you know.
Even me.
You should do again. You should do again.
Me again?
Yeah.
You again?
Cheating, huh? Still I'll do.
Why do you choose colors which are matching on your black?
Bird.
Bird. It's a bird.
Can I just give up? You go ahead.
No, you just try.
We'll try. We'll try.
Once again,
I never tried.
I'll
I
give you a
think
countdown.
To
Okay?
choose one.
It's a bird. So your time starts now.
Okay.
I'll make a big bird.
So, it's
It's a bird.
It's so good. Wait, let me copy
She is still folding it. Bird is done here. It's ready to fly, I think.
I don't know. It's
Is that an eagle which you made?
oh my.
She is done it with this bird.
Yeah, it's a peacock.
It's got a beak.
It's a peacock.
Everybody's doing it. Look at me. Okay, well done. Well played. So, last shit.
Okay.
Who's going?
I go for it.
Blue one.
Fish.
God.
Fish. Okay, wait.
Put a fish. Make a fish. Put it in it.
Okay. So, your time starts now. Come on, go for it.
You take a
Make
black.
a
Now you
black
have a black
fish.
marker. You can draw a nice eye for the fish.
How does a fish be? So bad in craft.
Okay. Let's just take a fish like this.
You know how a fish looks like?
Yeah, the fish also looks like this side.
This is Pamlet.
Yeah. Now you give.
Oh, he's showing an eye for it over there. 2 eyes.
No, my fishes come from
Give
another world only. Like
nice, yeah. Where are the eyes?
Yeah.
Good,
See,
good.
it goes like this.
Ah.
this is special fish.
Good.
Morsa.
Well done, yeah. Well played. Did you all enjoy?
Yeah.
Loved it.
Enjoyed
We,
it?
we really love that.
Okay. Alright, and now we are moving on to the final round, and that is called as 30 seconds 2. And to play this round, we have with us Stacey along with her duo partner, Aldin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hungry?
No.
I got some biscuits for you now. And you know what we're going to do with the biscuits now? Oreo biscuits are तुम्ही forehead आत धरपाचे. And 30 seconds you have to get the biscuit to your mouth and eat it.
Okay.
And if it falls down,
You're out.
oh, is it?
So are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll try.
Okay, take the biscuit.
Okay. Sorry.
Ready?
Smart.
Give it on your forehead. Yeah. And your time starts now. Don't drop it down, huh? Otherwise you all will get disqualified. Okay, slowly. Stacey, what is happening?
Trying to throw it down.
You're out. He's still managing it.
I was trying to bring it down slowly, but it wasn't possible.
You both are disqualified.
Yeah, no?
Okay.
Alright, we are moving on with the second round, and that is called as Kisses Chocolate.
Okay.
30 seconds to. This is the second challenge. We have kisses, chocolates over here, and these are gloves for you all.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is put these gloves and mage tumhi te unwrap korpache.
Okay.
You'll get only 30 seconds. Ready?
Okay.
Anybody is feeling like eating kisses,
One before we start.
Yeah.
Boost over. Yeah. I fell out.
I'm telling you not to eat.
Oh God.
Okay. You want to eat that?
No, I didn't mean that.
Keep it in the plate then.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, cheating.
Thank you. Oh yes. Where then?
Yes.
Oops.
And your time starts now.
Oh God. This is
Be careful, huh? I think you like kisses chocolate. Stacy.
Yeah, no.
Very fast.
Looks like it, yeah.
You have
No, I
only
do a
30
lot of-
seconds.
I do a lot of things like this at home in the kitchen, so I'm used to peeling.
Yeah.
So maybe that is another edit. Go slow, man.
Will there be a tie?
Okay,
Time's
I
up.
definitely won this.
Alright, okay, let me check. How many?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
And you? 1,
Uh,
2, 3. Are you worse
three
at,
and a
at your
half.
kitchen?
That explains the cooking part.
Alright, well
Very filling
done.
items.
Now we are moving on with the final round, and that is called as the tissue paper boxes. Alright, and this is called as tissue paper boxes challenge. एक box असतले 30 seconds तुमकां मेळटले. Now तुम्ही you know केन्ना शोआक बा वयता पळय तेन्ना जायते पाटी तुमचो वॉर्डरोब बा डटी कोता आसतलो तो,
Yeah.
रायट? सगळे क्लोथ्स बा काडून सगळं उडयता आसतले.
When you're trying to look for something. Yeah.
So same thing we have to do it over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Pull out all those tissues, and जो कोण आखे box काबार करता, he is the winner.
Okay.
Are you good at it?
I think so, yes.
Alright, take the boxes in your hand.
Yeah. There we
And
go.
your time starts now. You've got only 30 seconds. One by one, you have to do it one by one. He's cheating it.
Okay, let me see what I can do.
This side we have to draw.
One by one.
I didn't.
You did. Did you do cheating?
Only
Yeah,
once
she
after I
did.
saw his, I removed.
What is this? Show me the mess which you've created just now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine is more messy.
This is nice, no? This is nice for a performance.
Yeah,
Alright. Okay.
Oh, God.
Well done, guys. Alright, we are moving on with our final round that is called as Dance Battle. And here round moche borobar asa the famous David Furtado and Akshada Talawlikar. So,
Okay.
ready?
All
Okay.
set. All set.
This is a ball of chits. There are nice, cute circles over here. Okay? So, कितने दिसता तुमका phone?
Boy, this stuff.
Miranista, okay. You know what? 5 chits are.
Okay.
So, ekliak don, last hati together. The action that you get, you need to put it in a dance form.
Okay.
Also, David Bapti जायते choreograph केला.
आयज हांव अक्षताक शिकयता.
ना actually ताणे केल्यार बरें.
नाचता तो आयज.
Alright. So, according to the action, you need to put the dance.
Okay.
Ready?
Done.
So, who's going first?
I think David. David, go. Yeah. Chal.
You seriously want to go first? Okay.
Let me get some ideas.
What is it? Can you flash it to the camera? Nagin dance.
Nagin? Oh, the most easy that we do for our shows.
Alright, and your time starts now.
कसला रे?
You got it? You got the step? That's how choreography works. Alright, Akshada, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm praying.
Pick it up.
Om Namo DFDA Namaha.
We have a choreographer with you, don't worry.
Washing machine dance. Oh my god.
Washing machine dance. You know how the washing machine works?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, done.
Alright, okay.
Okay, done.
Alright, and your time starts now. The washing machine dance. Yes. That's how the washing machine works. Yes.
Done.
Alright, next chit by David.
कार्या.
Ozana, तू excited है? I'm going to jump over our game, guys.
वही
Wow. Bathroom cleaning.
You are getting all the impossible. Bathroom cleaning that.
The women doing Nagin, bathroom. Wow, wow, क्या बात है.
All right, and your time starts now. The bathroom cleaning dance.
Experience.
तू स्वतः bathroom clean करता.
Woo! Amazing. Wow, wow, wow.
Come on. Yes. Put some water now. All right. Okay. And the next one, Akshada.
Final one. Okay. Wish me luck.
बेस्ट ऑफ लक
What is it?
Football.
इजी रे
Football dance.
Hockey गलपाचे तुवें हांगा. Hockey dance. Oh, okay, fine.
Football.
Done.
All right, and now the other one is the football dance. Your time starts now.
Football was required.
Yes, the choreographer can help.
बस गो पुढे हा
What now? Football को
बोला,
कर
बोला.
Exactly.
वेरी गुड
What I should dance now?
All right.
Oh, nice, nice,
Well
nice,
done,
nice.
yeah. Last is the final one. Anybody pick up?
अक्षता
दोनों
please.
साथ में.
दोनों
Okay, you pick it up and give it to him.
Yeah, correct. Take.
See if it's in your favor.
ओरे दिस इज हर फेवरेट आई थिंक
Oh, cricket dance.
क्रिकेट
That should be the boys' party.
No, it is good cricket. You do bowling, I will dance.
We can dance together.
And the final round, we have two celebrities together. That is David and Akshada. Give it up for them. And their time starts now. 20 seconds to go. Cricket dance.
Bowling. तू गाल bowling.
Yeah, six. Four. आणि करा.
Six. हाँ,
आवडीचं घालपायचं नाही तुका.
All right, read my lips with आमचो बाप पुतुश आणि सेल्फ्रा तयार आसा. Rules are simple. Headphones घालपाचे, loud music play जातले. So your partner has to guess. Like तुवें जर तर headphone घायला जाल्यार तें तुका एक word सांगतले. You'll have to read her lips. Ready? 30 seconds you'll get.
Sure.
Okay. Who's going first? No cheating. नुस्ते.
जुजे
नुस्ते. नुस्ते.
तू
Do the act. Yeah, do it. नुस्ते उजराय. नुस्ते.
ड्राइव यू ड्राइव
30 seconds ये लो. नुस्ते.
नुस्ते
हाँ.
नुस्ते
उजराय.
उजराय
Yes. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, your turn. Read. Read. Ready? Your time starts now.
Molob. Dove. Asa.
Yes. Oy. ये बांध शॉटाने झाले बरं काय.
I always guess his lip sync.
Okay, I used to it. Man. All right, okay. All right, second one.
That's it.
All right. First read.
Good Mata.
Ready?
Okay.
And your time starts now.
Gold.
You have to be soft.
Okay, sorry.
Soft.
Gold. Mata.
मात्ता
That is right. Gold.
ओकोत मात्ता
Gold.
गोडगोडा मात्ता
Same thing it is. Gold matta.
म्हणलं आहे
Ready? Read it. Ready? Your time starts now.
Drum. Doom doom. Doom. Doom.
Say.
Doom. Doom doom. Doom doom आवाज. Drum doom doom आवाज. कोता.
Yes. Doom doom like this. Doop doop.
Can't hear. I can't hear.
Right, okay. Ready?
How utta. Right?
Okay. Right. Okay. Your time starts now.
How utta. How utta.
आओ उठा
Yes. Last सारखे मिळवले तुका. All right, take it off.
आहे पहिले हो पेपर वाला वाचून पडलं माहिती का
असं एक पॉइंट दिला तुका. चिकून केला. Last one, huh?
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Your time starts now.
How? Mu. How? Putush.
Putush. All right. Okay, well played, Selfra. All right, and the game starts now. I'll tell you the rules, how it goes. Blue cup ha te oir yopa zaye. So you need to be very quick. You'll have only 2 minutes with you, and each cup has one letter written on the paper. Okay. So to me 6 letter word form korpache. Are you all ready for it?
Yes.
2 minutes. Ha.
Okay.
We'll do it fast.
Don't.
Okay, this is for you, and this is for you.
Okay.
And your time starts now, slowly, one by one. Okay. Sonali, पहिली game खेळलेली
ना.
I'm stuck. Okay, take it easy, slowly, slowly. Okay, she got it. And you?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Okay.
Who got it first? Sonali?
Yes.
Alright, let me check. उल्टा फुलटा बघून जरा तो मागीर सोनाली सिमरन. Alright, okay, well played. Sports चा बरी हुशार आहा तुम्ही न्हू. Alright, well played, yeah.